So, hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. And we are Mila!
I introduce myself. My name is Micaela Giselle B. Paule. I'm 10 years old. My favorite sports is table tennis. She is...
I introduce myself too. My name is Markela Joyce Tilly. I am 10 years old. My favorite sports is table tennis.
So yun guys, ang gagawin po namin ay ngayong new vlog ay maggagawa po kami ng aming assignments sa math.
Yes, guys. Let's go. So, guys, mauubos na po ang oras. So, gagawin po muna namin. Wait lang po.
So yun guys, tapos na po kami sa aming
Homework!